Ka 16 Finance Commission hagaskining kong gralum ya kajing alang bat ka sarkar jala lembat kikin hun beper hanong wa shalong bat sengap ya kajing terwa bat kijing ai jingmut halor ka bha sang pisa ka baka commission kan ai hakini kisan number 1 ka Finance Commission ka lasong jing alang shwa bat ka sarkar jala haga baw menteri rang ba ka jala konrat ki sangma ula pedang song pha yo chairman bat ki khat ka commission ya kajing wan hashalong Hakani kajing alang ukonrat ula ai jing batai ya ka babnia halor kajing long jingman meminta hapo kejala bat kajing tinjo ki ba kejala ki atikho hak babanjul ya kajing nan ka menpin kala ya kejala kum kejala ka bakiu sheprang da kajing arab lem jong ka commission Umenteri rang ba kejala ula Aiti ru ya ka dorkhas jong kejala show chairman ka commission u Dr Panagaria ka batai bnia ya commission bashipau bat kalinti ya ni road map jong kejala ban na penong ya kejala kum kejala ka bakot ya ka yo ka kot $10 billion hapo usnam aja arpupra ulapun paru ya kajing songo ya kajing ajing mut jeng commission bat khmi linti ya kajing trelang ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya kum kan nong senyang ka bakrau bha shakaroi ka par jong kari India.
Having said that, the journey has been very tough. We have had very difficult social issues, difficult numbers to deal with. We were in all sectors, in all social indicators, Meghalaya has or was not doing that well many years back. So it has been a very challenging journey. But I think what has been the best part about how or where we started and where we are today is that during this journey, we were able to actually identify the core issues. I think that was the number one and the most important thing that we saw in the last 5 to 6 years. Now,
Kadbaga 16 Finance Commission kadang peteng ya ka kam jongka kajing phai khmat jongka kan long e ha ka ban rai ya kajing asam khajana ha pedeng ka sarkar pedeng bat ki jilla na ka benta kisan number 1 ka basdang na du ka shitarik uyayong ahaja arpun rio